Hello everyone, welcome you all to the 23rd session of Pandas DataFrame. I'm your instructor Anup and I'm going to continue my discussion on the same IPYNB file in which I have covered 22nd session. So let's start. So I will first access the first few records in our dataset. So this is the first 5 records in our dataset. Now if you remember, we have talked about data frame extraction by position or level across the index and the column dimensions. But especially when working with numerical data frames, there are few other really powerful approaches that combine series methods with data frame extraction capabilities. One of them is the series between method, which gives us a convenient way to specify a range of values to select based on a range of values. Now, this is a series method. So we can't just go ahead and apply it to the entire data frame. For example, if we just try nutrition dot between. And if I run this, that would fail. So first, why this is failing? Because this between is a series method. And I'm applying this series method on a data frame. So first we have to select one dimensional slice from our data frame, which comes out to be a series. And it could be a row or a column, but it needs to be one dimensional so that we get back a series. So we have to select a given dimension here that represents a series. In this case, I will go with column because it makes a lot more sense for the data we are working with. And specifically, I will go with, let's say, calories. So I need to write here nutrition dot calories. CALORIS calories. And if I will run this, let's see what I'm getting. So here we have a Pandas series containing the calories across all foods. This is not a big surprise here. Now let's extract some labeled values from this series using the between method. Let's say we are looking for a healthy, low-calorie snack. And our definition of that is something that contains between 20 and 60 calories for 100 grams of serving. Remember, all the nutritional information in our data is standardized to 100. To figure out what those food items are, we can simply say nutrition dot calories dot between. Fine. And I will write 20 here inside this bracket 20, 60. So what it means? It means these both are inclusive. So it includes 20, 60, as well as any number within that range. So it seems interesting. So let's run this and see. So notice all of these have the same length. But this one is a Boolean mask. So it includes all those levels associated with true and false values. So we get back is a Boolean series that has the same length as our original data frame index or as the series, right? So if we check the shape, it's exactly the same as the original length for the series that we applied between the two. So let's check the shape. First, I will copy it from here, paste it here, and then I will write dot shape. After that, I will run this. I will get this shape. Can you see? Shape is same as our original data frame. Wherever the calorie values falls between 20 and 60, it is marked with true. And wherever it falls outside this range, either on the lower end or the higher end, it is marked with false. So this is clear. And let's say if we also write here this thing, nutrition dot calories, and then if I want to calculate this thing, you will find that shape will be same. Also, if you will find the shape of our original data frame, that is here nutrition, you will get the same. Can you see? The length in all the three cases are same. Now let's use these Boolean marks to extract from our original data frame. So as we have done before, we simply take this Pandas series of Booleans and we pass it to square brackets on the main data frame. So how can we do it? Let's do it. We say nutrition, then we will write here square bracket, and inside the square bracket we will pass this value, this series value. This is basically a series which we have calculated here. So if we just pass this and if we run this, we got more than 1,000, which is the number of troops that we have in this Boolean mask. Fine. So let's take few samples from this entire thing. So how can we take a sample? So I'm taking the sample like this, dot sample, and let's take the first 5 sample, let's say. So let's run this. So I got this sample. Now, the combination of the series between method and the data frame Boolean indexing is a powerful and very common technique. And you should remember this, behind the scene, all that's really happening is that a series of Boolean is first getting created by this between method here, and then it is used to extract the values from our data frame using Boolean indexing with square bracket, which we have explored before. So here nothing is there that we are not familiar with. This is all for today. We always appreciate hearing from our community. So feel free to drop your thoughts, suggestions, or feedback in the comment section below. Your input helps us tailor our content to better suit your needs and interests. Also, consider giving a thumbs up. And for those who have not already subscribed, subscribing to AIK Pathshala ensures you won't miss future exploration in artificial intelligence and machine learning. Thanks for being a part of our journey. Your support means the world to us.